Good morning, guys. So I had my booster shot yesterday and I have a massive headache. I'm getting ready to eat a late breakfast because I couldn't quite get it together. And I just randomly felt like I wanted to have toast with jam on it. So let's make it. Holy smokes. Now that's good. Okay, let's make it. 2 ounces of frozen blueberries and 3 ounces of banana, 1 ounce of fig not pictured here. It fell from my tree. It was very small, so I wanted to use it up. You're going to either do in a mini food processor or immersion blender, or use your hands in a bowl and crush this thing up. There goes your jam. Take your toast, toast it. Take your eggs, fry them. And we are ready to go with this plate. 1 slice Ezekiel bread, 6 ounces of fresh homemade jam that literally takes seconds. Then my 2 eggs sprinkled with everything but the bagel seasoning, as well as a little bit of pink salt, and we are good to go. Keep watching because you can screenshot the end of this video for the actual ingredients. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope my headache goes away really soon. And then, like, when you run out of toast, Ezekiel bread, you can just eat it with a spoon. Come on. It's good. My head is pounding. It's good. Let's go finish this breakfast.